Write down who you have in box number 9 coming up. Okay, I hope you guys remember who you have in box number 9. Again, if not, it's going to be recorded. Let's open up box number 9. Okay, good luck everybody. Box number 9. Upper Deck Portraits for your San Jose Sharks. Dylan DeMello. Troy Brouwer, your St. Louis Blues. O-Pee-Chee Gold, parallel. Upper Deck Canvas for your Philadelphia Flyers, Steve Mason. Vancouver Canucks, Young Guns, Jake Virtanen. Congratulations whoever had Vancouver that box. Box number 9. And an oldie but a goodie. Another legend. There's another case hit for your canvas. Upper Deck Canvas. Dougie Gilmour for your Toronto Maple Leafs. Go Leafs, go. Dougie. Just saying his name makes you smile. Hit for your Dallas Stars. Matthias Janmark. O-Pee-Chee rookie. Another hit for your Toronto Maple Leafs. Young Guns, Garrett Sparks. Leaf prospect goalie. And we have a hit for the Edmonton Oilers. A case hit. Another Connor McDavid. Upper Deck Portraits. Rookie Connor McDavid. Congratulations, whoever has Edmonton this time. 4 McDavids we hit. 3 were in the same box. Congratulations whoever had them, but it'd be nice to spread the wealth a little bit. But all the best. Florida Panthers rookie Connor Brickley. O-Pee-Chee. And we have a Buffalo Sabre Young Gun. Linus Ullmark. And an Upper Deck Canvas for your Pittsburgh Penguins, Evgeny Malkin. Hit for your San Jose Sharks, Nikolai Goldobin. O-Pee-Chee rookie, San Jose. And we hit our first exclusive, which is a case hit. Unfortunately, it didn't land on a Young Gun. It landed on a base card, but nonetheless, it is a case hit. Number 3 of 100. Upper Deck exclusives for your Winnipeg Jets, Tyler Myers. Case hit after case hit after case hit. Young Guns for your Columbus Blue Jackets, Marcus Hannikanen. Young Guns for your Boston Bruins, Frank Bertrano. Is it just me, or is there a lot of Italian rookies this year? San Jose Sharks rookie, Nikolai Goldobin. San Jose Sharks. OPG rookie. Rookie for your St. Louis Blues, Joel Edmondson. OPG. Oscar Lindberg, Upper Deck Rookie Portraits, New York Rangers. Ottawa Senators, OPG Rookie Silver, Chris Weidman. Canvas for the Dallas Stars, Patrick Sharp. Young Guns for your Philadelphia Flyers, Mark Alt. Mark Alt. Looks like we got a jersey card in here. Rookie Materials jersey for your Anaheim Ducks, Stefan Noesen. Rookie Materials jersey. Hopefully that's a short print for Anaheim. Wish you guys all the best. I wish everybody gets a great card. At least one. Hit for your Florida Panthers, Connor Brickley. OPG rookie. Last pack, box number 9. Hit, Upper Deck Portrait rookie for your Pittsburgh Penguins, Sergei Plotnikov. And that is box number 9, ladies and gentlemen. I'll set you guys over to box 10. That's who you guys had in box 9. This is who you guys have in box 10. So I'll let you take a look at that. As you guys are looking at that. And just to see some highlights, if you guys go to our Facebook page on Untouchables, you can see some of the highlights or all the hits that we hit. Just fast forward it and you can spread the word. Like it, share. That way we can get this going every Thursday, multiple boxes, maybe 2 or 3 breaks a night. We don't have to do cases, we can do even mini 30 packs and rotate the teams, or 1 box at a time, however you guys want to do it. But we're in it for the long run and we want to make everybody happy. So check out our Facebook page at Untouchables and look for the highlights. So I'm glad you guys see what we have in box 10. Let's cut over. And this is live now. Box number 10 and 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Just maybe they put 2 Eichels in 1 case. That'd be fantastic. So if you guys wrote down who you guys have in box 10. And again, no one does breaks like this, where you rotate your team. Everybody just gets stuck with 1 team. So not to pick on Calgary in this case, but Upper Deck Series 2 doesn't really have that many Calgary players. If you got Calgary for 15 boxes, you're not the happiest camper in the world. At least this way, you have a shot and every team rotates. And then when we sell 2 teams, We separate you guys so that you'll cover all 30 NHL teams, which is the difference between us and everybody else. Anyways, let's keep going. Box number 10, Detroit Red Wings, Andreas Antonescu, Upper Deck Portrait rookie. We got this box and 5 more. Let's hope for 6 more case hits. Young Guns. For your Tampa Bay Lightning, Joel Vernon. Upper Deck Portraits, rookies, Mikko Rantanen for your Colorado Avalanche. Rookie for your Montreal Canadiens, OPC, Mike Condon. Young Guns for your New Jersey Devils, Raymond Heberenka. New Jersey Devils, Young Guns. Canvas for your New York Rangers. Love this goalie. Henrik Lundqvist. Upper Deck Canvas for your New York Rangers. And a OPC rookie for your Buffalo Sabres, Jack Eichel, OPC version. OPC rookie, Jack Eichel for your Buffalo Sabres. We have a silver Winnipeg Jets rookie, marquee rookie, Nikolai Ehlers for your Winnipeg Jets. It's not a bad card either. We have another Upper Deck canvas, this time for your Minnesota Wild, Jason Pominville. Young Guns for your Chicago Blackhawks, Vincent Hinostroza. There's another Italian playing for the Blackhawks. We have a Upper Deck game jersey for your Dallas Stars, Kerry Lettinen. I wish all the best to whoever has Dallas. And I hope it's a short print. You can just go to an Upper Deck checklist and see what grouping they are, A, B, C, D, or E. E is the most common and A is the most rare. So if it's an A, regardless who the player is, it's always worth something. Hit for your St. Louis Blues, rookie, Joel Edmondson. Upper Deck rookie portraits, Nikolai Goldobin, San Jose Sharks. Brandon Saad for your OPC gold parallel, Columbus Blue Jackets. Young Guns for your Dallas Stars, Devin Shore. Upper Deck Young Guns, Dallas Stars. Canvas for your Nashville Predators, Mike Ribeiro. Mike Ribeiro. Rookie for the Chicago Blackhawks, Artemi Panarin. Rookie for your Chicago Blackhawks. And another Upper Deck exclusive. Unfortunately, it didn't land again on a Young Gun, but a hit for your Minnesota Wild, number 76 of 100, Matthew Dumba. Another case hit, this time going to the Minnesota Wild, Matthew Dumba, Upper Deck exclusive. Those are nice when they land on a Young Gun. Really brings up the value. Young Guns for your Dallas Stars, Radek Vaska. Another hit for your Minnesota Wild. Upper Deck Canvas, Mikko Koivu. Mikko Koivu for your Minnesota Wild, Upper Deck Canvas. And there is another case hit in the Young Gun variety. None other than your Buffalo Sabres, Jack Eichel. 2 Eichels in this case. Very nice. 2 people happy. Once before, once now. Congratulations, whoever has Buffalo this round. That pays for your 2 spots alone. And everything else is a bonus. That's what I like to see. Case hits around, everybody hitting. Congratulations, whoever has Buffalo this round. Hit for your St. Louis Blues, Troy Brouwer. Ah, that's beautiful. 2 Eichels in 1 case. Hit for your San Jose Sharks, Dylan DeMello. That's 2 case hits in this box. Exclusive and Jack Eichel. Wow. Fantastic. Upper Deck Portrait Rookies for your Edmonton Oilers, Anton Slepyshev. And that is it for box number 10. I'll cut you guys over to see who had and what in box 10 and let you guys write down who you're going to have in box 11.